My name is Dr. Folakemi Cole-Adeife. I'm a consultant physician and dermatologist, and I'm a creative arts lover, creative arts enthusiast, and a dancer. Mental health to me means the state of our minds, the state of our thoughts, our feelings, our emotions, our aspirations, and how we think about ourselves, about other people, about our loved ones, our co-workers, and everyone around us, and how they affect us. And also, there's always a balance in these thoughts, emotions, and feelings between the positive and the negative. Well, nature is very beautiful, and art is also beautiful, and nature is quite deep and soulful, and it's usually very special when art is performed in the midst of nature. I always love to watch performances by the beach or in a garden, because what happens is that the art and the performance, the creative art, then gets intertwined with nature, and it just makes it very special, very beautiful to behold, and very deep and soulful. I think the arts are a vital, powerful tool of engagement, of enlightenment. The arts can be used to tell people stories about nature, to help people know what to do to protect nature and preserve our environment. We can use the arts to help people to realize that we should leave this earth better than we've met it and not worse. And the arts can also be used to engage and educate people about things like pollution, about things like planting trees, and so many things. So I think the arts can work very well in the fight for Mother Nature and the fight to preserve our environment and our earth. Well, the arts are a powerful tool of engagement, as I've said, and I always tell people that I believe that the creative arts are medicine for the soul. I find that a lot of people find a lot of relief, a lot of respite in music when they feel low or they have a low mood. Some people like to express themselves in dance when they don't feel so happy, and after that they feel a bit of a release, and they feel a lot lighter. And I know a lot of us enjoy comedy. We go for comedy shows to laugh, and in the process of laughing, we feel a lot better in general. So the arts play a very vital role in ensuring that our mental health is good, and it can help as a form of therapy in many mental health conditions. In the management of these conditions, there is a field of medicine that is called art therapy that is used in the management of a lot of psychiatric conditions and also neurological conditions, like stroke, Parkinson's disease, and some neuromuscular disorders. And also, there are a lot of studies that show that children who are engaged in the arts actually do better, when children who are ill with cancers actually do better with treatment when they're engaged in various forms of creative arts like music, dancing, poetry, and fine arts and drawing. So the arts has an amazing effect on every part of our being, not even just our mental health, but sometimes our physical health as well. So the arts can be used as a tool by encouraging people to be involved in the arts from an early age. It's very important to engage children from as young as infancy or the early toddler stage in creative arts. It acts as a form of balance, and children who are in school should also be encouraged to be engaged in one form of the art or the other. Some may like drawing, some may like playing musical instruments, others may like dancing, others may like singing, but that they all serve as a form of release, as a form of entertainment, and as a form of therapy for the mind of people from all ages, from as early as 3-4 months when they can hear sounds and music, to as old as a 90 or 100-year-old trying to remember a dance that she did when she was much younger. So the arts play a role for all human beings from the cradle to the grave, and they can help in allowing us or encouraging us to live fuller, richer, and healthier lives, both mentally, emotionally, and physically, because a lot of the arts involve physical fitness as well. So this piece is called Dance in the Garden, and it's just a piece for relaxation for someone who is trying to find or having there's a lot of congestion. In Lagos, for instance, we are always busy, the hustle and bustle of work. We always have deadlines, targets to meet, and some of those things can actually have take a heavy toll on our mental health. Sometimes we feel overwhelmed and we feel like we are not, where we should be. So Dance in the Garden is a piece where basically you're just letting your hair down at home and finding peace in that moment. And for a few minutes, you're not thinking about the deadlines you have at work and the targets you have to meet and the traffic and all the other stressors that we face on a daily basis. And you're just enjoying yourself in the garden. And it's just to encourage people to always take out time in nature, take a walk, go to the beach, go to a garden, and just let your hair down and relax and have fun.